In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect from Roboforex to MetaTrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to roboforex.com and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can also register for an account, and then it should look something like this inside of the dashboard. From here, you'll need to go up to the menu where it says Accounts, and then under Account Management, you'll see My Accounts. You'll need to click on this, and from here, you'll see all of your active accounts. From here, you'll need to choose the specific account that you want to connect over to MetaTrader 5. And you can see that by going over here, right underneath the name of the account, you'll see MT5 or MT4. You'll need to choose the account that says MT5. From here, you'll see the account number over here. You'll need to write that down. You'll need to write down the account type and your password. And if you forgot your password, you can click here and update your password if you want to do that. From here, you'll need to open up MetaTrader 5 on your computer or smartphone device, and then go up to File and then open an account. From here, you'll need to go over to the search bar and click in Roboforex, and then click Find Your Company. From here, it should be visible down here in the dashboard, and just click Next on it while you click on it. And from here, you'll need to connect with an existing trade account and add in your login credential, your password, and the server, where you can either choose Roboforex Pro or Roboforex ECN. From here, you'll just need to click Finish, and now your Roboforex account is connected to your MetaTrader 5. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!